Tonight, during the State of the Union address, the President is going to be talking about health insurance and what we need to do to fix our health insurance crisis in this country. It's good that he recognizes there's a problem. Almost 47 million Americans don't have health insurance. That's more than the population of Canada, and that's more than almost 47 million Americans who worry about how they're going to pay for health care if their child gets sick, worry what's going to happen if they're in an accident, and for that matter, worry what's going to happen if they get pregnant. How are they going to pay to have a baby? And all of the other normal, everyday things that happen in your life, but that can send you into a financial spiral if you get sick. The President is most likely going to offer a Band-Aid when the patient really needs serious surgery. He's once again going to turn to the individual market where people have to buy insurance on their own and find the best deal with insurance companies, rather than building on the system that we have today where employers and other large groups are able to exert their negotiating power with health insurance companies to get the best deal that they can for their employees and their members. The President is going to be making a proposal that's not going to really work for the nearly 47 million people who don't have health insurance, because they're not going to get much of a benefit from the tax deduction that he's proposing, and they're going to be out there on their own looking for health insurance without very much money to help them pay for it. At the same time, people who have insurance today may well be worse off, particularly people who live in an area with high healthcare costs or work for an employer who has a more elderly or a sicker population and therefore pays higher premiums. They may actually see an increase in what they pay for their health insurance premiums and the taxes that they pay related to the health insurance benefits that they receive. We're glad that the President is recognizing that we're in a crisis, but we think he needs to be thinking about a whole different kind of solution.